Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm doing an easy cheesesteak sandwich for you guys today. It's going to be smoked beef short ribs. Not really going to be anything traditional about it. I just didn't really know what to call it. You know, a cheese beef sandwich or, you know, whatever. But call it what you want, but it's going to be smoked beef short ribs on the Weber, on the Yoder YS640 pellet cooker. I'm going to be going about 275, and I'm thinking it's going to take around 5 hours. Just depends on how it looks. You're looking for just something super tender that's gonna shred apart. I'm also gonna make a whiz out of this hatch pepper cheddar right here. And so I'm using the same method that I used a couple of videos ago with the sodium citrate. If you wanna go more in depth on that, I'll link the video down below so you can check that out. But it's super easy. Just gonna get a liquid and dissolve the sodium citrate and just throw the cheese in there. Then I have some onions and mushrooms I'm gonna saute down and just make a sandwich out of it. It's gonna be easy, so stick tight and check this video out. Here we go, guys. Check it out. All right, I got these nice beef short ribs from Whole Foods. Usually I don't shop there because I think it's a little overpriced, but these look really good when I checked them out compared to other stores I go to usually. So these are just over 3 pounds, about 3 1/4 pounds. I'm just gonna season these up. So you can see there's a good amount of marbling on this right here. They're probably gonna shrink down a good bit, and you know, you can trim them how you want. You could leave them how they are and not even do anything at all. It wouldn't be that bad, but I'm just gonna kind of cut off a little bit of this top right here. All right, so for seasoning, we're just gonna salt these, and I got that Cosmos Q cow cover hot right here, as you can see. All right, so the short ribs have been on for 2 hours. I got some apple cider vinegar. Just gonna go out there and check it out, see what it looks like. All right, so it's been 2 hours. 276. Check back in about an hour, see how it looks. All right guys, it's been like 5.5 hours, about 5 hours and 40 minutes actually. And these things are just super tender. So we're at like 203, which seems perfect. Actually, we still need a little more time. I'll let them go a half hour more, and we should be good. And to go on this hoagie cheesesteak sandwich, I got some mushrooms and this little onion I'm gonna dice up, and that's gonna be it. All right, I'm just gonna saute these veggies, coat the bottom of the pan with some olive oil, go on medium heat. All right, for this homemade whiz I'm gonna make, get a pot, get it on medium heat. Get the liquid of your choice. You could use broth, you could use beer, water, milk. I'm using beer. So for every cup of liquid, I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of the sodium citrate. So it's about 6.5 hours. I don't even know what temperature they were, but it really doesn't matter because they're tender enough to shred up, and that's all that matters. They've been resting for like half an hour. Guys, there you go. Got your smoked beefy cheesy goodness. You know, if anyone out there knows anything about sodium citrate, just drop a comment and try to educate me on it a little bit, because I think I'm still trying to figure it out a little bit. I mean, it came out good, but it's just a little, and yeah, obviously you could just melt cheese over it like some cheese slices, but just trying to change it up. That rub was good. I got a good amount of smoke on the meat. And that hatch chili cheddar is awesome too. I never had that before, but. So I ended up making a bunch of that cheese sauce. And it's gonna be way too much. I should have probably made like half the amount I did, but I'm still learning about it. So when it cools down, it's gonna solidify. All I'm gonna do is just pour it in the pan. Then I'll just be able to cut slices of cheese out of it when it's done. So hopefully it works out. All right, guys, if you like the content, if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out, guys.